Okay, our friend, as this chapter 3, I show you how to insert data into MySQL using MySQLI. So we go to the coding. Yes, I create file insert.php insert.php and we include connection.php. Okay, this is the code that we want to insert. Statement, MySQL statement, structure query insert into table name, and this is the in the field or column that you want to insert the value. So we create variable insert into and table name my guess. Yes, my guess, and the first name, last name, email, and values. Values, and I want to insert John and Joe's image John at example. Okay, we say so we go to pay again. Okay, I click insert. So new record created successfully. We refresh table name. Okay, you can see the first name and last name. Okay, if we want to insert to get the last of the ID, we write the code below. Yes, we can use like this when the actual insert through and the last ID can't insert it successfully. Okay, and I will go to the get. Okay. For example, we did code, we did get the ID, yeah, we did successfully. And the SQL, I get the last ID con insert ID. Yes, and the success last insert ID is yes, I see. So I go to page again. Yes, I want to refresh. Then you can see the ID last insert ID tools. We refresh. Yeah, this is the last ID too. So I want to insert again 3. Paste the ID 3. Okay, right now I finish the part 3, and the next time we meet again with part 4, how to update or how to insert with the multi records